Introducing the Gyrocopters Frost, the ultimate compact and foldable e-bike designed to make your daily commute faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your Gyrocopters Frost e-bike is UL 2849 certified. This certification means it has passed stringent safety tests by a reputable, independent organization, ensuring it meets high Canadian safety standards and reducing the risk of malfunction or hazard during use. Built with a sturdy metal frame, the Frost is easy to maneuver and fun to ride. Thanks to its easy folding mechanism, you can effortlessly store your Frost e-bike under your work desk or in a closet at home. Powered by a 350W high-speed motor, the Frost e-bike reaches speeds of up to 25 km per hour. With 3 speed modes, you can choose to ride at 15 km per hour, 20 km per hour, or 25 km per hour. Its rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers a range of up to 60 km with pedal assist, depending on terrain and rider weight. Our advanced battery management system, BMS, ensures safety by preventing overcharging and overheating, optimizing performance through efficient energy use, and extending battery life by maintaining cell balance. Enjoy longer rides, reliable power, and peace of mind with our intelligent BMS technology. The Gyrocopters Frost features a dual shock absorber that seamlessly absorbs bumps on the road, along with cruise control for an effortless biking experience. Experience comfort like never before with the Frost's adjustable seat, ergonomic handlebar placement, and intuitive speed sensor. Swiftly illuminate the headlight and rear lights for enhanced visibility and safety. Gyrocopters Frost ensures smooth acceleration and responsive braking with its EABS plus rear dual disc brakes. The speed sensor and UL 2849 approval further enhance your safety, making every ride secure and reliable. Stay informed with the Frost's battery display and enjoy quick charging times of just 3 to 4 hours. Know your battery status at a glance and ride with confidence. Elevate your commuting experience with the Gyrocopters Frost e-bike. Combining power, safety, and comfort in a compact, foldable design, it's the perfect companion for your daily adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in e-bike technology. Click the link below to get your Gyrocopters Frost today.